Hello again. Welcome to our first week of Physics 101 lab. Hope you're ready to start. Everything's looking pretty good here. Um, we have a number of things to do. I see that they're in the frame here of my recording. You won't see the last couple of things, but they're all pretty important. So check out the actual page there in your instructions. But you want to have your discussion initial post completed by Thursday, which mainly is introduction. It's a pretty much easy set of points. They're just introduction and tell a little bit about your experience in physics. Be very diligent about doing the safety agreement and safety lab quiz. Then the first two assignments beyond the discussion and those quizzes are graphing assignment, which is very good graphing assignment. It's not that difficult, and you can, if you're smart, you can use those same skills when you're trying to do your other labs in the next few weeks. The next lab after that is on measurement and uncertainty, and it's just how to get an idea of how when we make measurements, we got to be cautious about the measurements we make so that we get them as accurate as possible. Nothing is absolute, no matter what they tell you. As I've said on a couple of occasions already in my writings to you and also in my earlier introductory video, if you need to reach me for help, you can do that just about any time. Be happy to help you as much as I can. And I really enjoy these labs, so I think you'll have a good time with them. They're kind of fun. If there's anything else you need, just give me a text or email, and maybe even eventually a call. We'll be happy to talk with you about that. Take care. Talk with you soon.